be talking to you guys about my skincare routine. I know a lot of you have been asking and a lot of you want to know what I use on my skin, how I keep my skin extremely clear. I keep my pores very small. I have limited the amount of wrinkles and damage that is on my skin just because of my skincare routine and maintenance. So I'm going to go over a very in-depth class on my skincare and how you can completely transform your skin just by following these things. I do want to say that all of the products that I am going to mention, including the supplements, are not sponsored. This channel has not been sponsored yet, but with the products that I am going to say, they really have completely changed my skin. And I do want to give credit to my sister, Kira, such a model, because she is the one that put me on a lot of these skincare products, but some of them I have just learned along the way. They just work really great for me. So let's get started. I also do want to preface and say that my face is a little puffier than usual because I literally just woke up 30 minutes ago, and when I wake up in the morning and I don't ice my face, it tends to be very puffy, but it's okay. Okay, the first thing that I want to go over are the tips, tricks, and hacks to get perfect skin. Something that you have to understand is you can put all of the greatest products on the top of your face, but if the inside of your body is messed up, if you have a lot of gut issues and you have a lot of inner problems because you're not taking care of yourself, you're not watching what you eat, you're going to have bad skin. The inside reflects the outside. It's like when you eat bad foods and you eat all of these toxic processed chemicals and you see that you're gaining weight or you're having all kinds of reactions in your body. A lot of foods and your gut health can even link to things like eczema or even depression, and some things that people are just, they're not taught, they're not aware of, they're not sure how that correlates, but your gut to brain connection is so strong. Your gut reflects everything. Taking care of your gut health is going to be key, not only to losing weight, but also to make sure that your skincare is top tier, babe. Top tier. I used to have extremely bad gut health and I literally was always puffy. I was always bloated. My face was bloated. My nose was bloated. Just taking care of your gut health is going to do such an amazing thing for your skin. I used to even have cystic acne, and I used to have so much acne all over my face. It was embarrassing to the point where during COVID, I was so thankful that we had masks so I could cover the acne that would like come in this area. But now I am grateful to say that I don't have any acne scars. The acne just went away by itself, and there was no turntable product that really got rid of that. It was the dietary changes and a lot of the things that I'm going to talk about in this video. Drinking hydrating water. A lot of you might just be drinking your water
in your Stanley cup
just by itself, but I want to tell you to put a lemon, some cucumber, some mint, peppermint oil, some cloves, cinnamon, anything in that water to make it more hydrating. And the reason why is because when you just drink filtered water, there's no minerals in it, and your body needs those minerals in order to hydrate itself, and that helps your gut health. A lot of times when you have to go to the bathroom and run 10 times to the bathroom just drinking a lot of water, it can be because your body is not hydrating itself. It's just going through you. And that can be good to clean out all those toxins. You need to hydrate your body as well as clean it out. And that happens when you drink hydrating water. You can also add some Himalayan salt, some Celtic salt, very natural, not iodized. Don't go to the kitchen and get your iodized salt and put that in there. Just a little, tiny little bit is important and can really make a really big difference. Another thing, I haven't done it this morning, but every single morning when I wake up before I'm going anywhere, I will ice my face. You can either do an ice bath or you can just get a piece of ice or a couple pieces of ice in a paper towel and just go over your face and just shape out where you want your face to depuff. I usually start here and then come down. I will do the bottom of my chin. I will do my eyes. And that has made an incredible difference in the puffiness of my face. Inflammation goes down, my face feels better, I feel more awake, and it's just something that I really love. Something that I am not a fan of is the whole spoon trick. I think somebody was just trying to get attention when they said put spoons on your face, and that's fine. Pretty sure a piece of ice is a lot more effective than a spoon that may or not be cold. But now I want to talk to you guys about nutrient deficiencies. If you have dark circles or bags under your eyes, this could be because you might have a nutrient deficiency. What this means is you have to look at your diet, because the vitamins in your diet are going to be a lot more impactful and effective than the diet you get from supplements if your diet isn't correct. I noticed that one of the vitamin deficiencies and nutrient deficiencies that I had that was causing bags under my eyes was magnesium. And once I started taking magnesium, that went away. And half of my eye bag problem went away as well, like the dark circles. This is my favorite magnesium. Not only does it help with the eye bags and the dark circle issue, but it has helped me change my sleep. And sleep is an extremely important part of your skincare routine, because if you don't have a lot of sleep, you're causing your body a lot of stress, and because of that, when you wake up the next morning, your body is more likely to be high on cortisol, which means you're going to experience a lot of bloat, you're going to be puffy. Make sure you watch out for that. Some other vitamin deficiencies that may cause the dark circles or the bags under the eyes are vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin A, and vitamin K, which is potassium. You can find vitamin E in a lot of antioxidant-rich foods, and those are my favorite for skin. Oh my goodness, those are my favorite. Potassium in things like spinach or bananas. I love bananas. Vitamin A are in things like carrots, and there are some other foods. You could definitely look those up and see a list of what foods come from what vitamins. You're also going to want to watch to see which of your products are toxic and which ones are non-hormone disrupting, because a lot of the products I had were hormone disruptors, which not only caused a lot of toxin buildup in my body, but it also caused a lot of bloating within my face and within my stomach and my body, because it's reacting to the toxins I'm putting on it. Your skin is your body's biggest organ, and it absorbs everything that you put on it. If you're putting on some Bath and Body Works, but it has some toxic chemicals in it, and it is very bad for your skin and an extreme hormone disruptor. And for me, that was something that I realized after I got the Yuka app. The Yuka app is one of my favorite apps to scan things to see if it is toxic, if it is healthy, if it has any bad chemicals or toxins in it. It is so helpful. It has changed my life. I scan all my skincare products, my hair care, my lotions, my deodorants, everything. And it will tell me on a scale from 1 to 100 how healthy it is for my body and why. And it will tell you the bad chemicals that are in the products you're using. It also does the same thing for food as well. So if you're wondering what chemicals or toxins are in your food, you can also look and see that as well. Like I said, managing your stress is going to be super important in making sure that your acne is at bay. I notice that when I am extremely stressed out, I will get one pimple right here. And I know it's time I need to chill out. I need to chill out because it's always the same thing. I always get one right there. And something that I use to take care of pimples is the Peach Slices acne dots. I use these, super great. I do not get pimples that often, but when I do, I use this, and it takes care of the problem within a day or two. And I only put them on when it is a whitehead pimple. You see that baby's there. If you have cystic acne, that's something that might not, because it is not getting to the root of your problem, and the problem hasn't even reached the surface yet, so that's different. Make sure you are actively trying to manage your stress and keep your stress at bay. That way your skin looks beautiful. Something else I do is I use applicators for my skin and my skincare. I do not use my fingers or my fingernails to get anything out of a jar, because that just puts bacteria in there, and you are constantly going to be placing more and more bacteria on your face. Make sure that you are using applicators, like a little scoop, you're using a brush, and you're cleaning it, and you're changing them out very regularly. That way your skincare products are clean, your fingers are clean, and you are making sure that you're doing what's best for your skin by making sure there's no extra bacteria. One of my favorites, eating antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants are really important for your skin health because it helps fight free radicals. And this is something I learned in my nutrition class. But eating high antioxidant foods helps your body fight wrinkles, sun damage, and it got rid of a lot of my acne scars. I didn't use any scar gel, I didn't use any of that. I started eating a lot of blueberries because those are extremely rich in antioxidants, so I eat a lot of those every single morning. I'll have half a cup or 1/4 a cup of blueberries every morning with my breakfast. And another one is strawberry. Any type of berry, to be honest, are really high in antioxidants. I will say that raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries are going to be the highest in antioxidants. You can also find antioxidants in kiwi. Kiwi is also really good for your gut health as well. Those are going to be some fruits that are going to really help with your skin. We're also going to start talking about some of the products. Sunscreen is going to be your best friend, because if you have a lot of skin damage, a lot of sun damage, or you have a lot of sunspots, it is because you are not using sunscreen. I used to think that it was only for when you're going to the beach, you're going to be in the sun for a long time, but that's not true. Some of my favorites, I switch between 3 different sunscreens. I will use the Beauty of Joseon. I don't know how to say that, but it is a Korean line. Comes in this kind of container, and I will link it down below so you can see it a little bit better. Another one that I use is the Mary Kay Time-Wise PF, and that one, I love it so much. It has come in handy. It is so easy to use, not very many ingredients, and it is a life changer. I love it. I've seen a difference in my skin just by using it. I love it. And it's not thick, it's not overpowering either. And then one I use for occasions where I know that I'm going to be in the sun a little bit longer is the Native SPF 30 that you can find in any store. It is a great product. I love it. It is a little bit thicker and it's a little harder to evenly place it on your skin, but when I'm gonna be in the sun all day, it is a great option, like when I go to Disney. Another thing that I use in the morning is going to be a vitamin C moisturizer with probiotics. And the reason why this is important is because your skin, just like your gut health, need probiotics in order to help the microbiome of your skin. Vitamin C is something that works as an antioxidant as well. And I really love this one. It's from Derma E, and it works miracles on my skin. Not only does it moisturize, but it has helped with dark spots, it helps with fine lines, it helps prevent wrinkles, and works similarly to an antioxidant. Now you guys are gonna think that I am crazy for this one, but I don't care because it has completely transformed my skin, and I always get told that my skin is glowing whenever I use this. 2 or 3 times a week, I will get vitamin E gels, literally the ones you buy in Publix or Walmart in the vitamin section, and I will cut them open and place that oil on my skin. I swear to you, it has changed the game for me. It not only gets rid of the big pore issue, it also makes your skin tone more even. It makes your skin so smooth. It helped me get rid of my texture. It is like an all-in-one, and because it's an antioxidant, it will do so much for your skin. So much for your skin. Going on to something else from Derma E is a Derma E Ultra Lift Concentrated Serum. It has copper, resveratrol, and kakadu plum, but it really does tighten and tone. It does what it says, and it has been my best friend. This is my 3rd jar of this. I absolutely love it. It really has changed the game for me, and skin is visibly different within the first hour of me using this. Some of the moisturizers I use are the Advanced Snail Mucin. This is also Korean skincare. I love it. It is natural, and it has helped my skin in areas where it has been very dry or porous. Now I have very oily skin, but sometimes my skin can be combo skin, like in the winter time. And this baby is a lifesaver, super moisturizing and hydrating, and it doesn't have like an after heavy effect that some moisturizers have, which I love. At night, I will use a retinol age defense serum. This is the one that I use. You can get it at Ulta. I'm not sure if this is the best one for you. I know that there are some dermatologists that recommend probably better ones, cleaner ones, to be honest, but this one is the one that I use. I also use the Olay niacinamide and retinol at night as well. I don't have it here, but It has changed my skin completely. I love it. It has gotten rid of a lot of wrinkles and smoothed out my skin a lot. Definitely love them. Something else you can do to even out your skin tone is use this bio oil, skincare oil. It also has helped me in my skin and I absolutely love it. And if you're thinking about using it, definitely try it. At night, it really does change your skin and it helps you get rid of any discoloration, hyperpigmentation, or marks that you just want to get rid of. Definitely love this. I only use one thing to clean my skin. I know some people double cleanse. I don't do that. I never really have, unless I like wear a lot of makeup. If I'm wearing a full face of makeup, which I don't do very regularly, I will double cleanse with an oil cleanser and then a gel cleanser. But the gel cleanser that I use is it's a snail mucin one, similar to this. It is the same brand and I use that one, but that's only if I have a lot of stuff on my face, because my face will dry out very easily and then get oily very easily. If I do too much to it, I will use an oil cleanser every night. My sister got me this cleanser that is absolutely amazing. I don't have it on me right now, but it is a game changer. It will take off any makeup that you have on your face, any makeup. It takes off the most waterproof makeup. It's better than micellar water. It is a game changer, and I promise you that you will absolutely love it and see such a difference in your skin. It helps with pores, it helps with blackheads, it helps get rid of acne. It is just incredible and I absolutely love it. Whenever I do have acne, I will use this Derma E Acne Blemish Control Treatment. This one is actually very effective, at least for me. Derma E is one of my favorite companies for skin, and so is the Korean skincare line that I was talking about, because they just work so well. Wow, I love almost all of their products. This is the Acne Blemish Control. It has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and aloe vera. It reduces acne, blackheads, and breakouts, and it does what it says and has worked incredible for me. I absolutely love it. I hope that you found this video very helpful. And if you did, please subscribe. It not only supports the channel, but it grows our queen community. If you have any other tips or skincare tricks that you have tried that have worked for you, leave them in the comments. We're here to all help each other. And if you have any of the products that I used, please let me know in the comments as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.